Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath259a.
FamilyMath259. Today we're going to talk about the Pythagorean Theorem, and we're going to try at least to find some examples of the Pythagorean Theorem in our house, and we're going to measure. If we find some smaller triangles, we'll use our ruler. If we have to find some bigger triangles, we'll use our tape measure.
Yep.
But can you first tell me what the Pythagorean Theorem says?
Well, it says a squared. If you have a right triangle, you can find the hypotenuse.
Okay. What does it mean? What does a right triangle mean?
Well, it's a triangle that has a right angle in it, like that.
Okay. And what is a right angle?
It's a 90-degree angle.
It's a 90-degree angle. And where do we see 90-degree angles?
Well, in squares and rectangles.
Oh, in squares and rectangles. Okay. Where else do we see 90-degree angles?
Well, if you they're also in the triangles.
Okay, they're also in right triangles.
They're sometimes in like bookcases, or this box is a right angle.
Oh, very good. So sometimes you see them in things around the house.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And what is can you tell me what the Pythagorean Theorem says?
It says if this side is A,
that side is A, okay.
And this side is B, and that side is C.
Okay.
So A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
Hopefully that's on camera. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And that's really helpful when you're trying to measure angles. Or, sorry, when you're trying to measure the lengths of the sides in geometry. So, for example, what's a famous right triangle?
There's a 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so if this is 3 and this is 4, we get 3 squared, which is
it's 9
plus
16,
4 squared. So
6,
what's 9 plus 16?
25.
25. And what number squared is 25?
5 squared.
5. So we get a 3, 4, 5 triangle. What's another famous right triangle?
There's a 5. Wasn't there a 5, 12, 17 triangle?
5, 12,
13.
5, 12, something. Let's see. So 5.
And
5 squared is
25.
12 squared is
144.
So what's 25 plus 144?
It's 169.
Okay.
So it's 13 squared.
So we got 5, 12, 13. That's good. Do you know any other ones?
Well,
I think there's a 1, 1 square root 2 triangle.
Ooh, very interesting.
So they didn't
that's an
say
Isosceles right triangle.
Okay. So if the two sides have the same length, then we'll just call that length 1 for now. 1 squared plus 1 squared is 2. And what number squared is 2?
It's
root 2.
Square root of 2. So what we see is that not all right triangles have side lengths that are integers.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Alright, so are you ready to go look around the house and find some right triangles, and we'll see if the Pythagorean Theorem seems to work
Yeah.
or not. Alright?
Okay.
Alright, let's go right triangle hunting.